Hi guys, welcome. If you're new to this channel on Maya, go ahead. Join the production family by clicking the subscribe button and the bell so you cannot miss the new videos. If you're remainder subscribers, welcome back. And as you guys know, in the previous video, I did the painter splat for the clothing and the nails with nail brushes, but this time we're going to do the paint splatter again with the paintbrush from the DIY nail art, which I will be doing that today. So without further ado, let's get started. So what I'm about to do is you need a clear polish, a white base to make a paint splatter background, and you will need 3 colored paints. Doesn't matter what color you want, and a paintbrush. If you cannot find it, you could use a popsicle stick, so whatever is best for you. So I will test it out, see if it works. I forgot to tell you, you need something that is protected from the area. If you have a hard floor, I would suggest you need to use the table plastic cloth, or if you're on the table, you can use a napkin. Whatever is best for you. So, hey, let's continue this video anyway. To start out, I'm using a clear polish, which I already took care of that, and it's nice and dry. And now we're going to use a white nail polish for the background. So guys, the first hand is done, and once it's dry, you want to use the acetone nail polish remover to clean the edges of the finger or outside the finger like I did.